For this example, I'm going to show you how to find the interquartile range. Let's call this as IQR, the interquartile range. The interquartile range equal to the third quartile minus the first quartile. So now what is the formula for your Q3 and Q1? Remember the formula for the median equal to L plus big N over 2 minus big F over small f times C, where your L is the lower boundary of the median class, your big F is the cumulative frequency before the median class, and the F is the frequency of the median class, and C is the class size. The formula for Q1 and Q3 is almost formula for this formula for median. Your Q1 formula equal to L plus N over 4 minus big F over small f times C, and your Q3 formula equal to L plus 3N over 4 minus big F over small f times C. So you can see here the difference of this formula is that for median is N over 2, for Q1 is N over 4, and for Q3 is 3N over 4. So now I'm going to show you how to find median, Q1 and Q3. You look at this question here. The table shows the cumulative frequency. This is the cumulative frequency, which is your big F. For the distance traveled by 80 children in a competition. So you have 80 children, therefore your N equal to 80. So we have for distance less than 20, that's 1 children. For distance less than 30 is 7 children, and the distance less than 40 is 25 children, and so on. So part A, based on the table above, we have copy and complete the table below. Now we have to convert this cumulative frequency distribution to the frequency table here. So we're 10 to 19, here should be 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69, 70 to 79, and 80 to 89. The frequency for 10 to 19 is 1. The frequency for 20 to 29, you have to use 7 minus the previous one, which is 6. The frequency for 30 to 39 will be 25 minus 7, which is 18. 40 to 49, the frequency is 34 minus 25, which is 9. For 50 to 59, the frequency is 59 minus 34, which is 25. For 60 to 69, the frequency is 69 minus 59, which is 10. And for 70 to 79, the frequency is 79 minus 69, which is also 10. For 80 to 89, the frequency is 80 minus 79, which is 1. So this is the frequency needed for this table here. So for part B, without drawing or GIF, estimate the interquartile range. For interquartile range, we have to find the Q1 and the Q3. To find Q1 and Q3, we have to know where is the Q1 and Q3 located. So for Q1, you have to find where is your N over 4. N over 4 equal to 60 over 4, which is 15. So the 15 observation will be your Q1. So you look at here, you already have your cumulative frequency that is here, the 1, 7, 25, 34, 59, 69, 79, and 80. So your 15 observation, that is your Q1, will be somewhere from 30 to 39. For Q3, that is 3N over 4, 3 times 60 divided by 4, which will give you answer 45. So the 45 observation will be your Q3. So therefore your Q3 will be somewhere around here, that is 50 to 59. You can see here, from the 35 to 59 observation is 50 to 59, and your Q3 is the 45 observation. Therefore, Q3 should be located somewhere from 50 to 59. Before I calculate Q1 and Q3, I'll show you how to calculate the median first. So the median is the n over 2 observation, which is 60 over 2, that is 30. So for the 30th observation, meaning your median is from 40 to 49. That is where your median located. To calculate median, we have the lower boundary for the median class, which is 39.5 plus the big N is the number of observation, which is 60 divided by 2 minus the cumulative frequency before the median class. The median class is 40 to 49. The cumulative frequency before should be 25. Divided by the frequency of the median class, which is 9. Time with the class size. So remember, the class size is the upper boundary minus the lower boundary, which is equal to 49.5 minus 39.5, which is 10. So this is the value for your median. That is 45.06. So to calculate the Q1, we are using the same concept. The L is the lower boundary for this class. The lower boundary is 29.5 plus the big N is the number of observation, which is 60. Now is divided by 4. Remember, the median is divided by 2. Minus the cumulative frequency before this class. So look at the first quarter is 30 to 39. The cumulative frequency before should be 7. Divided by the frequency. The small f is the frequency of this class. So the frequency should be 18. Multiply with your class size. Your class size is 39.5 minus 29.5, which is still 10. This equal to 33.94. So this is the value for your Q1. So using the same concept, we can find the Q3. L is the lower boundary for this class, which is 49.5 plus we have 3, your N is 60 divided by 4 minus the cumulative frequency before this class. So you look at here, this is where the Q3 located. The cumulative frequency before should be 34 divided by the frequency for this class, which is 25. Multiply with your class size, which is again 10. This will give you an answer 53.9. So now we can find the value of the interquartile range. So the interquartile range equal to the Q3 minus Q1. Your Q3 is 53.9 minus Q1 33.94. This will give you an answer 19.96.